We asked a bunch of people how they knew when they had to let go. These are some of their answers. When it's okay lang pag siya, bawal pag ako. Kapag ginawa ko, okay lang. Kapag ginawa mo, mali na. If I
Hmm.
go out and drink at night, it's okay. If you go out and drink at night, you're cheating.
Oh,
Yung mga
shit!
ganun, di ba? Like, double standard.
Para sa'kin kasi, when I'm in a relationship, ayoko ng pinagbabawalan ka. As
Mm.
in, go out with your friends, have fun. Gusto ko may buhay ka outside of our relationship. Kasi ayokong sinisiklod mo yung sarili mo na tayo lang yung magkakampi.
Tayo lang yung friends.
Oo, pero that's fine. Okey lang naman na gano'n. Pero 'pag kasi nasa medyo gan'tong ages pa, siguro 'pag mga 30s, hindi na talaga siya applicable. Labas pa din ng labas yung partner mo. If they really want to build a life together, hindi na applicable yun. Pero kapag mga gan'to, okey lang naman kasi trying out new places,
True.
travel, yung mga gano'n. Hindi ko siya pinagbabawalan na mag-travel kasi bakit? Pera niya naman yung ginagamit niya. So, ayoko yung susumbatan ako na pinapayagan ko siya lumabas, pero kapag ako yung lumabas, parang ang sama ng loob niya sa'kin.
Oo, ganun.
Oo, ayoko talaga. Never kitang pagbabawalan para at the same time ma-gets mo na 'pag sa'kin, 'wag mo naman akong pagbabawalan.
One
Kasi
very underrated thing when you're in a relationship is your individualism.
hmm,
Kaya sobrang sobrang appreciative ako kay Krisha. When we were supposed to travel, I was like, I won't go na lang because you can't go.
mm.
I'll pay for everything pero you have to come with me. Lagi akong ganon.
Hmm,
Lagi ko siyang tina-try include.
para
Pero,
kasama siya lagi 'no?
oo. So she doesn't feel excluded. She always feels like she's part of my plans. Pero siya na mismo yung sabi na, you should go even without me.
Mm,
Appreciate ko naman yun kasi I feel like when you're in a relationship, pag love mo talaga, you really want to bring them into everything, include them in everything. But you also have to realize na you also need time alone. That time apart is not gonna set you guys. That time apart is not gonna make you guys more distant, but it'll
mm.
make you guys miss each other more. Siguro appreciate their presence more kasi nga,
Hindi mo
like the
siya kasama,
distance.
oo.
Totoo yung ano, yung distance makes the heart grow fonder. Wag
Pa
naman LDR, di ko yung kaya. But like,
'pag
may
hindi lang kayo laging nagkikita,
dapat
pero
pag-usapan niyo kung lagi kayong magkasama.
yeah.
Huwag kayong machichika.
Kasi kumbaga, sabihin na natin you go on this girls trip, 'pag nagsama na kayo, yun yung topic niyo.
Yeah, chika mo, your growth there, everything you learned, everything you
Mm.
did apart. Para may topic din naman kayo, hindi yung kung lagi kayong magkasama, ano nagagawin niyo?
Ang lagi na lang nating pinag-uusapan is about us, 'di
Mm,
ba? Kasi normal 'yan, eh. 'Pag
mm.
magkasama tayo, wala namang mali na pinag-uusapan natin yung sarili natin. Like yung mga nangyari sa past mo, like funny kuwentos from
Getting to
your
know.
past. Kahit super tagal yun na, there are really
Oo naman.
things na hindi mo pa din alam sa partner mo na minsan nakaligtaan lang nilang ikuwento sa'yo. Apart from that, dapat meron pa din talaga kayong other kuwentos,
Yeah.
like from your circle of
It's nice to have a
friends.
life outside of the
Mm,
relationship. Para when you come back to that relationship, you come back more full. You come back na may ambag, hindi yung puro babe.
ano na,
Ano kinain mo, babe?
gano'n.
Anong ginawa mo, babe? Saan tayo punta, babe? Like, that's kind of annoying.
Oo, at saka nakakarindi.
Tsaka nakakaumay,
Mm.
nakakasawa. Kahit love mo naman at some point kung 24/7 kayo lang yung buong mundo.
It's not gonna work if laging kayo lang.
Yeah.
Dapat may balance talaga. Mahirap 'pag kayo lang, mahirap din 'pag ma-friends lang din siya, 'di ba?
Oo, dapat
Balance
balance.
talaga. Kapag
Kapag puro tropa ka naman,
dun din nagsisimula lahat ng mga ibang away
oo,
kasi,
totoo naman na
"Hala, puro tropa ka na lang, puro basketball, puro
oo.
billiards," mga gano'n.
Pero totoo, ayoko din yung gano'n. Gusto ko balance lang, like
Puwede ka lumabas pero kunyari pinalabas mo yung partner mo, binibigyan mo ba sila ng curfew?
no,
Hindi.
ano mama mo?
Oo, parang kasi pero gets ko pa din, eto kunyari gan'tong scenario, lumabas siya all night with friends tas hanggang inumaga na siya pa din.
Hindi ko naman bibigyan ng curfew but like, that's also not good.
'Di ba? Yung point kasi na inumaga na siya kasi hanggang umaga talaga yung inuman. So, parang ang nasa utak ko din, kaya siya nagalit kasi siyempre tulog ka buong umaga, eh, dapat umaga magkausap na kayo, 'di ba, dun?
Hindi naman curfew pero siguro pagsasabihan ko lang na, "Why do you have
Ah,
to push your body?" It's
oo,
like more of a health thing
oo,
than a me thing.
oo. Puyat ka na naman,
Oo.
siyempre hangover ka na
Or like, that's
naman.
unsafe to be out that long, but it's not against, "Ang ginagawa mo sa buhay mo."
Mm. Okey,
Gano'n,
gets,
like hindi
gets.
naman ako gano'n.
Oo, gets ko din.
Tsaka nanay ko hindi ako binibigyan ng curfew, ba't ko bibigyan jowa ko ng curfew o ba't niya ako
Hmm,
bibigyan ng curfew?
real, real.
The biggest struggle of you living alone and your partner still lives with their parents. No, but like
Yeah.
they don't understand na you don't have a curfew, you can do
Oo.
whatever the fuck you want.
Hmm.
And sila, they can't. Kapag binigyan ka ng rose, parang, "What do you mean? What are you talking about? That's not mama didn't tell me that."
May naging partner din kasi ako before na pinagbabawalan niya ako sa mga suot.
Ay, we.
Yeah, tas nanay ko nga pare-parehas kami nagbibikini sa beach tas nagpi-picture kami't lahat-lahat nakita na yung everything. Tas ikaw pagbabawalan mo, super weird lang na hindi sila sanay. Maybe I
Oo.
think that's how they grew up, eh.
Different culture.
Oo. Very open lang kasi talaga yun sa family side namin. So, okey lang. Tas chill lang din naman sina mama. Sina mama, hindi naman ako pinapagalitan 'pag curfew. Basta we update kung nasaan ako, parang
Totoo.
gano'n. So, basta. It's like very different.
Yeah, I don't know. I've never had a curfew, so I can't relate.